And in one of the country's richest barangays, the winner was known even before votes were cast. Well, let's have the details from Christine Santos.
While most voting areas in the country consist of crowds, this is not the case for Barangay Bel Air in Makati, where its 18 precincts are very convenient for its 6,000 strong voters. The ILG dubbed Barangay Bel Air as one of the richest barangays in the country. Because of this, Chris, a PWD, did not have a hard time in voting.
Dito po malalaman ng ating gobyerno kung gaano tayo kahalaga.
Although declared as a sure winner because of lack of opponent, incumbent Barangay Bel Air Chairman Constancia Lichaco is grateful for the chance to serve the country again through the residents of her barangay.
Sa tagal ko na rin dito, kabisado ko na ang mga kailangan nila. Ngunit kung may bago silang suggestions, pinag-aaralan ng council, tapos ginagawa namin.
Meanwhile, Paco Manila resident Baltasar was not mindful of the long lines just so he could cast his vote.
Yung right na to kailangan i-exercise kasi at the end of the day, tayong mga mamboboto rin ang makakatanggap nung mga naging desisyon natin. So kapag naging maganda yung desisyon natin at tama yung naiboto natin ng mga tao sa gobyerno, lalo-lalo na ito sa barangay, mas madali natin mararamdaman yung benepisyo nito.
Ferdinand Lopez Luciano may be a first-timer. Barangay Chairman candidate of Barangay 815 Paco Manila is confident, even though his opponent has been serving their community for a long time already. Luciano said that his honest and sincere advocacy for his constituents would prevail in the end.
Nga, yung Diyos lang, kung ilang beses ako nagdasal, pinagdasal ako ng mga born again, pinagdasal ako ng mga Katoliko. Yun lang ang pag-asa namin . Tsaka first timer ako, hindi ko alam yung inaalala namin, baka kami madaya. Pero ako, wala akong naisip hindi ko alam yan.
Luciano also expressed faith on the poll watchers despite rumors on flying voters. For security, members of the Philippine National Police have remained alert and dispersed, assuring a peaceful and orderly barangay elections.
So kung kinakailangan ng assistance natin sa loob, maggagawa lang sila ng request form, may nakaready na sa kanila para for our immediate assistance. So far yung seguridad namin dito okay naman, magmula kahapon, peaceful naman siya, wala namang problema.
By virtue of our advocacy for change and undisputed public service, as voters, we shall be wise and be keen observants, because in the end, we are all part of the much-deserved change in our country. For the People's Television, this is Ara Perez.